What's going on, family? Haven't you ever wanted to know the difference? Like, what separates the rich and wealthy from the poor, middle class, and struggling? What helps somebody succeed in the area of their finances, and why so many people are, lacking in the area of their finances? And here's what I come to understand. Most people go about making their money the wrong way. And what I mean by that is most people dedicate their time and energy to making money. And if you dedicate all of your time to working, doing some type of task, then you're never gonna have time to really learn how to truly go about making money. Robert Kiyosaki wrote a book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And in that book, the first chapter says that the rich don't work for money. So if the rich don't work for money, how do they go about making their money? They move to a place, guys, where they can now multiply the money that's coming in. So it's not just about making it. What you have to do is move down the path of managing it and then ultimately learning how to multiply. But most people never get there. And the reason why most people never get there is because their whole entire life, they've been accustomed to spending money every single day. What if you could flip the script on money and go from spending it every day to investing it every single day? And that is the understanding that I came to have at the age of 24 years old, a few years ago, when I saw the platform that I want to share with you guys today. Because again, it's not just about how much money you make. What it really boils down to is how you go about making your money. And at the end of the day, if you want to succeed in the area of your finances, it's not going to be because you worked super hard for it. It's going to be because your money worked hard for it. I had a conversation with a multi-millionaire a while ago, and I asked him a question. I said, listen, what has helped you succeed so far in the area of your finances? He said, listen, I've never lived on the money that I've made. I've only lived on the money that my money has made me. Think about that paradigm shift for a second, because that is powerful. What if you could live on the money that your money has made you and not the money that you just make from working your job? See, there's nothing wrong with working the job, but what you have to understand is that job is going to take all of your time. You want to be able to take the income that you make from your job, from your business, and then put it in some type of investment vehicle. And guys, there's so many things that you can invest in. You can invest in real estate, options, stock market, so many things. But what we've came to realize, which will be a great investment, is investing in things that people are using every single day. Here's my question for you. How many people are using money every single day? Right? Everybody. So wouldn't it make sense to learn how to invest into money? Absolutely. So what we have, guys, we have a platform that's going to educate you on the largest financial market in the world, an industry that generates over $6.6 trillion a day. The foreign exchange market, you've heard of. You know that when we travel to Canada, we can't use the US dollar in Canada. You know that when we travel to Japan, we can't use the US dollar in Japan. And when somebody comes from Mexico or Canada to the US, they can't use their dollar in the US. So what happens? Well, that money has to get exchanged. And every time the money is exchanged, there's an exchange rate that happens. And every single day, people are becoming wealthy on that exchange rate. People like who? Well, people like the governments, hedge funds, banks, retail traders on Wall Street. And here's the deal. And because I said banks, you got to ask yourself, whose money is the bank investing? They're investing your money. So here's the deal. Everybody is making money on your money, but you do. Everybody's touching your money, multiplying it, but you. So here's what we want to show you. We want to show you how to become an investor in the largest financial market in the world via our educational platform. What we're going to show you guys is how to leverage your income inside these markets to build true wealth. Again, we have a full-out educational platform that breaks down trading from A to P. We're going to teach you how to trade in the foreign exchange market, how to make money at a faster rate inside of the binaries options market via our HFX platform. Then ultimately, we're going to teach you what my favorite thing is, guys: cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is changing the game. Just a while ago, guys, it hit $1 trillion in market cap. Cryptocurrency is the financial infrastructure of the future. Bitcoin, Litecoin, XRP, all the different coins that are floating out there that we're going to teach you how to not only trade in, but also build a lucrative investment portfolio so that your money can constantly be working for you, even when you're not looking at the charts, even when you're not, in the academy, even when you're not on our Go Live sessions, which are phenomenal because not only do we have the on-demand education through our academies, we're going to also put you in contact, put you in relationship with mentors, educators, people that have created 6, 7, and 8 figures inside of the markets, and they're going to dedicate 1,000 hours a month to teaching you the skill set of trading and investing your money. And here's the deal, guys, think about this, because this may help it make more sense to you. Over the past 12 to 18 months, 3 to 5 years, depending on how long you've been working a job or working your business, how much of your money have you been able to take and multiply? Better yet, how much of your money do you currently still have from last year or the year before? See, most people's money has a short lifespan, and that is why they can't get ahead financially. When you become a part of our platform, we're going to give you the education and the tools that are necessary to help you learn the skill set at a rate where you can multiply your money every single day inside the markets. And as you're learning, guys, our company was so gracious. We've been able to offer tools and services to help you make money while you're learning, because Forex, cryptocurrency, this is something that's going to be learned overnight. It's going to be something that's learned night after night with you studying. But here's the deal, that doesn't mean that you can't put yourself in a position to win financially and make money every single day. You can do that by utilizing our products like swipe trades, products like swipe coin, vibrata, levels. These are all products where you can literally copy and paste trades from the experts, wait on take profit to hit, or even wait on the stop loss to hit, because we don't win every single trade. But what we're seeing is about an 87% accuracy from people utilizing our products, copying and pasting the setups from the experts, putting themselves in a position to win while they are learning the skill set. So here's the deal. We have so many people that are plugged in with our platform. Over 400,000 people across the world are already utilizing what it is that we do. The company's been around for 7 years. A lot of people are putting themselves in position to win. And the reason you clicked on this video, the reason why this video link was sent to you, is because we want to put you in a position to win as well. So the question that you're probably asking yourself is, this sounds great, but how much is it going to cost me? And that's not the question you really want to ask yourself. The question that you really want to ask yourself is, what is it going to cost me if I don't get started? And what I mean by that is, think about the dreams, the goals, the things that you really want to do in life, but you don't have a financial vehicle to help you get there. Here's a secret that I learned a long time ago. Nothing will change in life until something changes in your life. So if you want to get ahead, you got to do something different. So here's the deal. You can get started in what it is that we do for the price of a pair of Jordans. Ladies, the price of a pair of bundle, $200 or $300 gets you access to our platform. We have the Platinum Starter Pack, the DCX Pack, as well as the HFX Pack. Each one of those are $234 for you to get started. And then we have the Elite Pack, and this is my personal recommendation that you get started on the Elite Pack. It's $90 more, but with that $90 more investment, you're gonna get access to everything that the company has. So every product that I mentioned, every academy that I mentioned, you're gonna get access to that for $90 more. And then we have a monthly subscription as well. But the company says, you know what? If you know two people that are just like you, that don't understand the concept of trading, that have never really multiplied their money, that may be looking for a new way to get ahead financially, if you share this concept with them, you can get a scholarship, and now your membership is covered by the company. So now you're learning this skill set, and now you're utilizing the products, now you're getting on our Go Live sessions, trading live with educators every night, and you're not even paying anything anymore, because all you did was refer two people to the platform. So I saw this concept 3 years ago, guys. It's changed my life. I used to sleep on a twin size bed at my parents' house. Broke as a joke, couldn't afford free water, had just got cut by the Detroit Lions, and I wanted to get ahead. I wanted to change my life financially. Somebody shared with me this concept of multiplying money. And I said, wait a minute. Never in my life have I been taught how to multiply money. I've learned how to spend it. I've even learned how to make it to a degree, but I've never been taught how to multiply. So if this is something that you see value in, what you want to do is get back with the person that got you on the line. If you saw this video from my Instagram page, what you want to do is send me a DM so that we can connect and I can get you started, walk you through the fast start process, and help you make money within the next 24 to 72 hours. Love you guys. See you at the bank.